we are going to see chapter number 4, Valbi Vidya Sthanam. Valbi, the place of learning. Today we are going to see the third part of the same chapter. First two part is already linked in the description. Now in this lesson, अनेकस्मै विजयी जनाय राजा पारितोषिक रूपेण भूमिम अयच्छत्. अनेकस्मै means too many. Vijayi Janaya means victorious one. Raja means king. Paritoshik Rupena means in the form of prize or reward. Bhumi means land, and Ayachat means gives. Anekasmi means too many. Anekasmi Janaya victorious one. Raja means king. Paritoshik Rupena means in the form of reward. In the form of reward. Bhumi means land, and Ayachat means give. Now here they are talking about King Maitraka. According to the rule of King Maitraka, those who are passing from the university, they are representing themselves in the debate competition, and the one who wins in that debate competition, to them the King Maitraka gives land as a reward. So the King Maitraka gives land in a form of reward for those who are the victorious in that competition. कदाचित् विजयी जनानां नामानि विद्यापीठस्य द्वारे उत्कण्ठितानि अभवत्. कदाचित् means sometimes. विजयी जनानां, those who are the victorious. Namani means names. Vidyapithasya, of the university. Dware means door. And Utkantitani means engraved. Abhavata indicates was. So sometimes the names of the victorious candidate, kadachit, means sometimes. Vijayi Janana means those who are victorious one. Namani means names. Vijayi Janana Namani Vidyapithasya means of university. Dware means door, at the door. Utkantitani विजयी जनाना नामानि विद्यापीठस्य द्वारे उत्कण्ठितानि. Now in this university, according to the Maitraka's rule, sometimes it also happens that those people who are getting victory, those who are victorious candidates, their names are engraved on the door of university. ख्रीस्तात् पूर्वप्राय पंचम्यां शताब्द्यां भगवतः महावीरस्य जन्म अभवत्. ख्रीस्तस्य पूर्वप्रायः. ख्रीस्तस्य पूर्व means before Christ, BC. Before Christ, BC. Prior means approximately. Panchamya means fifth, and Satabdi means century. In the 5th century before Christ, Bhagavad Mahavirasya Janma means birth, Abhavat. So Mahavir was born in the 5th century BC. Approximately in the 5th century BC, Lord Mahavir was born. तस्मिन् काले, during that time, भगवता महावीरेण यह उपदेश प्रदत्तः सः आगम नाम्ना प्रसिद्ध वर्तते. तस्मिन् काले means during that time, भगवत महावीरेण Lord Mahavir यह उपदेश means instruction, प्रदत्तः means gave, सः means that, आगम नाम्ना by the name आगम, प्रसिद्ध वर्तते, प्रसिद्ध means famous and वर्तते by that name. So during that time, whatever instructions is given by Lord Mahavir, it is famous by the name Agam. During that time, भगवत महावीर यह उपदेश means instructions, or we can say advice also. प्रदत्तः means gave, प्रदत्तः gave, सः आगम नामना by the name आगम. आगम प्रसिद्ध वर्तते, प्रसिद्ध means famous. So here they are telling us that Lord Mahavir was born in the 5th, approximately in the 5th century BC, and further they are telling us that during that time, whatever instructions are given by Lord Mahavir, it is also famous by the name Agam. Ayam Agam वर्ष 500 यावत् मौखिक परंपरायां सुरक्षितः आसीत्. Ayam means this, and Agam is a name of a book. Varsha Panchasatam. Varsha means year and Panchashatam means 500. Yavat Maukik Parampara means oral tradition. Surakshita Ashita. Surakshit means safe, Asit means was. This Agam Granth, whatever instruction is given by Lord Mahavir, it is safe up to 500 years in an oral tradition. So write down the words. Ayam, Agam. Ayam means this. Agam is the name of a book. Varsha Panchasatam. Varsha, Pancha and Shatam. Varsh means year, Panch means 5 and Shatam means 100. 500 years. Varsha Panchashatam Yavat, as long as. मौखिक परंपरायां oral tradition. सुरक्षित agam. This agam is safe for 500 years. For 500 years in oral tradition. Now students, you may note down these words in your notebook. Further, it is said that ayam agam varsa panchashatam yavat maukhik paramparayaam surakshitam asit. So this agam is safe in for 500 years in oral tradition. Further they says that evam hi shruyate yat Kristasya tritiya शताब्द्यां नागार्जुन नाम्ना प्रसिद्धः विदुषः अध्यक्षतायां एका जैन साधनां समितिः मिलिता. एवं हि श्रूयते. Shruyate means it is heard. Yat that Kristasya tritiya शताब्द्यां means in 3rd century AD. Nagarjuna namna by the name Nagarjuna prasiddha famous Vidushah. Vidushah means scholar. Adhyakshatayam means under the chairmanship. Ekam one Jain sadhana of Jain monks. Samiti means counseling. Milita means mate. So further they are telling us that this agam granth is safe in oral tradition for 500 years, and afterwards there is one man by the name Nagarjuna, and he is one of the scholar and famous person who has allowed to all the Jain monks together, and they have did meeting committee, and then they have did discussion about the agam granth. So shruyate means heard. Shruyate yat that Kristasya tritiya means third. Shatabdi means century. Nagarjuna namna by the name Suprasiddha means famous. Vidushah means scholar. Adhyakshatayam under the chairmanship. Jain sadhana of Jain monks. Samiti means council. Or committee. Milita means made. Here they want to say that it is indeed heard that in the 3rd century AD, Nagarjuna named one person who is very famous scholar. Under the chairmanship of this Nagarjuna, there was one committee held, and in that Jain monks came. They get together. Asyam agam granthana lekhasya prastavod. Asyam means of this agam granthana of agam book lekhanasya to write down prastavod bhavat. Prastavah plus abhavat. Here you can see the sandhi prastavod bhavatam. It means proposal. So Asya means of this, and Agam Granthānam Lekhanasya. Lekhanasya means to write down. प्रस्तावोड भवत्. Means proposal kept. So under the chairmanship of Nagarjuna, one of the famous scholar, Jain monks committee held, and in that meeting, the Nagarjuna has kept the proposal for writing down the Agam Granth. The proposal for writing down the Agam Granth is kept by Nagarjuna among all the Jain monks, and this is the third thing. And Atra Lekha Baddhavani Valbi Vachana Nama Prasiddha Jata. Atra Lekhan Baddha Vani. Atra means here. Lekhan Baddha Vani means written speech. Valbi Vachana Namna Prasiddha Jata. This speech, which is written in Agam Granth, is later on famous by the name Valbi Vachana. Further, they are telling us that Kristasya Navamya Satabdyam. Kristasya Navamya Satabdyam. Navamya means 9 and Satabdyam means century. Satabdi means century. Kristasya Navamyam Satabdyam Valbi Nagarasya of Valbi Sabha Vinashah Abhavata. Vinasha means ruin. So this suburb by the name Valbi is ruined in 9th century AD. This suburb by the name Valbi was ruined in the 9th century AD. Parantu tasya avsheshaha. Parantu means but, tasya means its, avsheshaha means remains. Adhyapi. Here you can see the sandhi adhya plus api. Today, even today. Tasya samruddhim. Tasya means its and samruddhi means prosperity. Suchayanti. Suchayanti means indicates. So they are telling us that but it remains still today, even today, shows or indicates its prosperity. Parantu means the parantu but, tasya of its, avsheshaha means remains. Adhyapi. Here sandhi is there. Adhya plus api. Adhya means today and api also. Also, but here we will take it as a even. Even today. Even today it remains. Even today it remains, shows or indicates its prosperity. Samruddhi means prosperity. And Suchayanti means indicates. So the remains of this place is still indicating its prosperity. Evam Bharatasya, even of India's Prachineshu, ancient Vidya Kendreshu. Vidya Kendra means center of learning. Valbi Ekatamam Asit. Valbi was one of the center of ancient Indian learning. इतिहासे च अद्यापि वर्तते and still it is there in our history. Bharatasya means of India. Bharatasya of India Prachineshu means ancient. Ekatamam, one of many. Vidya Kendreshu, Vidya Kendreshu means center of learning. Center of learning. Asit means was. And Itihase, Itihase means in the history. So, in this last line, they want to say us that in ancient India, Valbi is one of the center of learning. Valbi was one of the center of learning among many of the university, and still it is today in a history. Here our chapter number 4, Valbi Vidyasthanam, is over. You may note down the words